So this video is inspired by one of my subscribers and also a follower on Instagram. I'm going to put her name on the screen. She asked me my routine to help her with my routine from wash day to styling. So since I had already had plans of posting this video, I'm also dedicating this to her. So while I always advise, people to find what sticks to them, I mean what is beneficial for their own hair journey, I also don't I also advise people to, find people who have been thriving in their hair journey and also, doing things that help them grow their hair. But while you're, trying to follow their routine, always make sure to find what works for you, so that a product works for someone might not necessarily work for you. So always bear that in mind. So today on my wash day, this is my typical wash day routine, like where I get to do the most for my natural hair, especially if I have taken that hairstyle for maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month. By the time I'm you know cleansing my hair, I like to go the extra. So this is me using my shampoo. This is my DIY shampoo to wash my hair. Of course, my wash day routine does not start with just shampooing my hair. I'd already done a pre-poo the previous day, so I have a video of that. Just go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to drop a link on your screen so you can watch that. That's my very first step to my wash day routine. Then I'm shampooing my hair with my DIY black soap shampoo. I have a video of that also. I'm going to drop a link on your screen so you can check that out later on. But do make sure to watch this video to the end. So basically, I just like to focus on my scalp. I'm also using one of my hands to hold my hair down, because I don't just want to scrub my hair and let the whole hair be, everywhere. It's going to shrink up, of course. Natural hair shrinks up when water gets to it. So I like to stretch my hair as much as possible. That is why, number one, I love to wash my hair in twists. So I put them in chunky twists, and while I'm focusing on my scalp, I hold my hair down so that my hair does not shrink that much. So this is my first wash. I'm going to go in again with my shampoo, and the first wash I concentrated on my scalp. Make sure to remove any build up, any dirt. I just rinse that out slightly, not very well, just a bit. I just rinse it out, and then I apply another round of shampoo. This time I'm also still going to cleanse my scalp, but not right now. I'm focusing more on the rest of my hair. So I'm trying to bring down the ladder from the roots of my hair down to the ends of my hair. I hardly have product buildups on my hair. I hardly have that, but just in case there are any product left, I like to just use the ladder of the shampoo from I use from my scalp to just wash it down the ends of my hair. And after that, I'm going to rinse this out thoroughly, before I move over to the next step. So once I'm satisfied with that, I'm applying my hair mask. So I don't do this often. I do this maybe once or twice in a month. So you might not see me doing this often, but I do this once or twice a month. And what I have here is just my moringa mask. I have videos of a few hair masks that I've used. So, but this one right here is my moringa hair mask mixed with honey and a little bit of my deep conditioner. So I just mix that up into a concoction and I just apply it to my hair. So I'm going to cover this up with a plastic, wrap. If you want to use heat, minimum of 10 minutes will be fine. And then I just rinse this off. So one thing you should note is that using a hair mask sometimes can be challenging, because To rinse this off is going to be a little difficult, so you want to stand under a running water like your shower. The reason why I'm not under a shower is because I don't want these things to stain my bath. So I like to stay somewhere different from my shower, so that that place is easy for me to clean down my bath. So I'm going to be using this live conditioner. It was gifted to me. Shout out to Sister T for giving me this, and I'm going to be using this. It's very nice. It's a rinse out conditioner. It's very nice. I told you guys I'm going to show you how I use this brush to brush my hair. So in a few of my videos I mentioned that I got this tangle teaser. Since last year I refused to use it, but now that I'm using it, like, guys, for me, I don't appreciate that brush. It's not working, so I decided to go back in with my comb to see if it's going to be better. But guys, it's not worth it at all. At least not for 4C hair, maybe for 3A, 3B, or 4A hair. But for 4C kind of hair, like this kind of my hair, please, you don't want to use this brush. It was not working at all, so I just ditched it. Like, I'm never going to use that again. So if I must detangle my hair with any tool, I will stick to my white tooth comb. But you guys know I've been using my fingers to detangle my hair all this while. So I just wanted to test out the tangle teaser, because of course I've gotten it for a long time. So why not just use it and let's see how it goes. And the experience was nothing for me. Like, it was not. So I'm never going to use that again. I'm just going to stick to my finger detangling and I'll be all right. So guys, that is it. I'm just applying the rinse out conditioner to all section of my hair, as you can see. So simple basics, just make sure to deep condition after using a hair mask. In my own case, I mixed my deep conditioner with the hair mask, so I didn't need to use a deep conditioner separate after that hair mask. That would be too long. And in the days I'm not using a hair mask, I'll just go straight to my deep conditioner. And this is what I lost from this whole process. Like, much of it came from using that brush that I will never use again. Like, I've not lost this much hair in a long time, so this one was really too much for me. So it might be normal for some people, but this was not normal for me at all. So you want to make sure to rinse your hair thoroughly. Like, after rinsing out the conditioner, I had to go under a running water to get out the mask, the conditioner out of my hair. Because one thing you don't want to do, you don't want to leave a conditioner in your hair. If it's not a leave-in conditioner, you want to make sure to rinse it thoroughly, because leaving it there can cause dryness and can break your hair later on. The reason I use a rinse out conditioner today, because I used a hair mask. The rinse out conditioner helped me a lot to wash out the mask that I use on my hair. So if I was not using a hair mask, I wouldn't need a rinse out conditioner. I'll just go straight to my deep conditioner, and after that rinse it out and I'm done. So my final step, which I don't also do often, is using a tea rinse. Like, this is a black tea I'm using to rinse my hair. It has a DHT blocker that helps to, prevents your hair from excessive shedding. So I'm just using this for the first time. Let's see how it goes. So I hope this gives you an overview of what I actually, practically do on my wash day. Nothing much, just the same thing. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in my next video when I'll be styling my hair. Bye.